Good morning. Welcome to Dear Teacher Revisions. Learn Maths with Ravi sir. So we are doing MCQ questions. We are doing MCQ questions, and we have completed real numbers, polynomials, linear equations, and quadratic equations. 4 chapters we have completed. Now we are about to do next chapter, 5th chapter. Today the turn is arithmetic progressions. Okay, I already told you so many times. Good morning, somebody Masti. Good morning. So I already told MCQs plays a very vital role in your board examinations. That's why I have taken up MCQs part also. So now in three parts I have completed the syllabus. First is complete teaching, second one is fast revision, and the third one is MCQs. So after this also I am going to continue till maybe December ending. Okay, further after that you will be busy with your board examination, your pre-board examinations, etc., etc. So without wasting time, let me go to MCQ solving. Suhana Reddy, after a long time, good morning. So without wasting much time, let us start our lesson. I am ready with my this one. So let me open yeah. So questions are ready on the board. Let me start arithmetic progressions. So before I start, let me give you a simple revision of the concepts which are there in the arithmetic progression. Okay, so first you should know what is AP, arithmetic progression. Okay, this is the first identification. Okay, first what is AP, and then what is common difference, because on this there are some questions. Common difference is second term minus first term. Okay, nth term minus, you can have like this also, nth term minus Tn minus 1 term. Okay, 2, 1. 1 is n minus 1. So this also can be have. So third one is an formula. So some people will say Tn formula. That means nth term formula, that is a plus n minus 1 into d. A is first term, d is common difference. And fourth one is Sn, n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, this is sum of n terms. Only these are the concepts which are there in arithmetic progression. Only two concepts, nth term and sum of n terms. So only if you are aware of these if you do some questions on an, some questions on Sn, that means nth term and sum of n terms, then progression chapter is so simple, right? So let us try solving MCQ questions. The common difference of an AP, which is A15 minus A11 is equal to 48. So here common difference is asked. That means D is equal to question mark, in which A15 minus A11 is equal to 48. So using this condition, we should find out common difference D. So I'll just directly I'll write 15. A15 means A plus 14D. This is A15. 15 less 1, 14. So A plus 14D. And 11 means how much? A plus 10D. 11 means n minus 1. N is 11. N minus 1 is 11 minus 1, 10. So 1 less. This is 15, 1 less. 1 less means n minus 1. So then is equal to 48. You open the brackets. A plus 14D minus A minus 10D is equal to 48. Sorry. A will be getting cancelled. 14D minus 10D. 4D is equal to 48. D is equal to 12. So the common difference is 12. So that means first option. Okay. So this is a very important and a common question. Very important and a common question. Right. So in this, which formula we have used? Nth formula. Nth formula we have used. Nth term. A into n minus 1 into D. This is the formula we have used. Almost in all the questions, we are going to use only these two formulas. Okay. So now let us go to next question. The 30th term of an AP is how much? So 30th term we have to find out. From this we have to find out the 30th term. Okay. So first let us have A. A is equal to first term 10 and D is equal to 7 minus 10 minus 3. A chapter. చూసి ప్రోగ్రెషన్స్ అవుతుంది కదా, కూర్చొని చేసుకుంటే చేసుకో. A is equal to 10, D is equal to 7 minus 10. Second term minus first term. 7 minus 10 minus 3. So now we want A30. A30 is equal to A plus 29D. Because it is MCQ questions, it doesn't matter that whether you write all the steps or not. You can directly Tamil is very difficult. Yeah, today video is some lag is there because of internet. It is not possible to take in Tamil, right? So I am writing directly. A30 means A plus 29D. Now put the values. So 10, 29 into minus 3. So 10 minus 3 9s are 27, 3 2s are 6, 87 is equal to 77. 77 is the answer. So minus 77. So minus 77 is the answer. So in this also, what formula we have used? An formula we have used. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. This is the formula we have used it. So let us go to another question. The sum of first 20 odd natural numbers. The sum of first 20. This is a very quite common question. This question may come even in the 2 marks question also, right? If you are lucky, maybe 4 marks question also. First 20 odd natural numbers. First 20 odd natural numbers means 1, 3, 5 and so on. Okay. So 20 terms. So we have to find out S20. Sum of first 20. No need to write it till 20 terms. So 20 terms, 1, 3, 5 and so on, 20 terms. You have to find out sum of the first 20 terms. So now in this, from this A is equal to 1 and D is equal to 3 minus 1, 2. So now once we know A and D, you can do anything. So we are writing Sn formula, n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. No need to write the formula because MCQs, but only because it's a very lengthy formula, better do like this. So n is 20 by 2 because 20 terms we have to find out. 2 into 1 2, 20 n minus 1 19 into D is 2. So this is 10 into 19 38, 38 plus 2 40. So it is equal to 400. 400 is the answer. Okay. So 400. So you have to be very careful in putting the values and everything. Okay. So let us go to, in this what formula we have used? Sn formula we have used. Sn formula. So Sn formula, An formula, that means nth term and sum of n terms. These two formulas plays a very vital role. Okay. Let us go to one more question. The value of x, in which we have to find the value of x, in which 2x and x plus 10 and 3x plus 2 are the 3 consecutive terms of AP. That means these 3 terms are in AP, consecutive terms. Consecutive means one after the other. So we have to find out the, suppose here this is also a very important. If A, B, C are in AP, continuous terms, so then what happened? Common difference will be same. B minus A is equal to C minus B. So bring B here, B plus B is equal to A plus C. So 2B is equal to A plus C and B is equal to A plus C by 2. So this is the concept. This is a very important concept. Good morning, somebody. Ritik Shah Sharma, good morning. So very important concept. So this I have same question you may be getting even in the MCQ questions also, or 2 marks questions also. Okay, if A, B, C are in AP, if 3 terms are in AP, the middle term is arithmetic mean, which is equal to A plus C by 2. So now here middle term is x plus 10. So x plus 10 is equal to A plus C. First term is 2x plus 3x plus 2 by 2. So how much? X plus 10 is equal to 5x plus 2 by 2. Cross multiplication. So 2x plus 20 is equal to 5x plus 2. So 3x is equal to 18 and x is equal to 6. Okay, so very important concept in MCQs. Okay, so answer is 6. X is equal to 6. And without doing this also you can do. Without this also, whenever 3 terms are given, just common difference focus. This minus this is equal to this minus this. Common difference is always same. Second term minus first term, third term minus second term are always same. Today some internet issues are there, so it's lagging. Okay. So this is one of the important questions, right? So now all the chapter wise MCQ questions I have made and I kept in my learning app, Dear Teacher app. So go to the Play Store, download my app Dear Teacher. Dear Teacher. So my logo will be there. So download. In that all the 13 chapters MCQs are available. So 1 rupee or 5 rupees I put nominal charges. You can enjoy and you can learn those tests. So dear teacher app, you download it, and from that you can have, not these MCQs. These MCQs are different and those MCQs are different, so that you can be in contact with me also. So now let us go to another question. The common difference of AP. The common difference of AP, the sum of whose n terms, separate here n terms, we have to find out common difference. D is equal to question mark. Okay. The sum of whose n terms is Sn. Okay. So Sn is the n terms. So common difference he asked. So here Sn, sum of n terms. Okay, sorry, sum of n terms. Sum of n minus 1 terms, he has given so many things, right? So for this, like formula you can remember, or from by working out also you can remember, right? So now how we have derived an minus 1 is equal to D. An minus 1 is always equal to D. So now let us find out whether Sn minus 1 is equal to D or not. So n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Okay, this one minus n minus 1 into D, 2a, okay, plus n minus 1 into D. Okay, so then n by 2, 2a, like this. So whether you are getting it or not, you have to find out. So now what the answer is? Yeah, formula sheet. You can have formula sheet, everywhere is available. Okay, formula sheet. Only 4 formulas: An formula, Sn formula, and this D formula. Okay, so now our target is to find out common difference. So which is the common difference? Now elimination method में आप कर सकते हैं. You can do in elimination method Sn minus 2, Sn minus n minus 2. Okay, so and Sn minus 1 2. So n by 2. Let us start from down. Okay, this is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into 2. Okay, this is n minus 2 by 2 into, okay, 2a plus n minus 1, n minus 2 minus 1 D. So finally everything should cancel, and you will get so then n minus 2, 2a plus so we need to go through the formula, because elimination method is it is at very time taking this one. sorry, I have some guest. So we need to go through the formulas, right? We have one formula, that is a n is equal to, sorry, a n is equal to a n minus a n minus 1. Okay, so a n is equal to s n minus s n minus 1. Sum of n terms, sum of n minus 1 terms, if you subtract it, sum of n minus 1 terms, then you will be getting nth term. Like for example, sum of 10 terms is there. That means first 10 terms. If you remove sum of 9 terms, that means first 9 terms. So sum of first 10 terms minus sum of first 9 terms, if you remove, you will be getting 10th term. So this is the formula. So using this formula, we got an. So an and d, this is d. Okay, when it is depending on nth terms, so d directly you will be getting. But when it is given sum of n terms, you won't be getting directly. So we got n. We want a n minus 1 also. That means a n minus 1 we need. So how you will be getting? Sn minus 1 minus Sn minus 2. n minus 1. So n minus 1, n minus 1 minus 1, n minus 2. So now if you subtract these two, then you will be getting d. So d is equal to, so a n minus a n minus 1. So directly we can write Sn minus Sn minus 1 minus Sn minus 1 plus Sn minus 2. So then Sn, these two are same, 2 into, okay, so Sn minus 2 into Sn minus 1 plus Sn minus 2. So this is the answer. Okay, so we have to go through this only. This is the formula, main formula. So for this we need an. An we have a formula. So then which is the answer? Sn minus 2 Sn minus 1 s plus s. This is the answer. So both are say minus and plus. You have to be very careful in solving this. This is also one of the higher order thinking question. So now here let me give you formulas here. Right? An is the formula, we know a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn is the formula, we know n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. d an minus an minus 1. So this is the formula, and an is equal to, we have another formula, Sn minus Sn minus 1. That's it. These are only the formulas. Okay. So if A, B, C are in this also you can remember, if A, B, C are in AP, so B is equal to A plus C by 2. So that also you can have like a formula. Okay. So now let us go to next question. Right. The 20th term of AP, whose first term is minus 2 and the common difference is 4, is a direct, simple direct question. Okay. So he wanted 20th term, and first term a is equal to minus 2 and common difference is equal to 4. 2 direct question. So 20th term, a20 is equal to a plus 19d. So a is minus 2 plus 19 into d is 4. So minus 2 plus 76, 74. 74 is the answer. So measure very important. Primarily this chapter, this an formula only will be used in MCQ questions. Okay. So next question we will try. Which term of AP is the negative? This is also little thinking question. So now it is decreasing order, 25, 20, 15, going on like that, and which term is the first negative term. If you think like this, no? So because all these are multiples of 5, so 0, okay, and 0 we will be getting on minus 5. So minus 5 is the first negative number. So which term? That means an is equal to minus 5. If you get this, you will be getting the answer. So logically you have to find out minus 5 first term, because it is given as a multiple of 5. If it is not multiple of something, so you have to apply the concept of the multiple, right? So then an, put the values. So 25 is a, and a is equal to 25 and d is equal to minus 5. So a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to minus 5. A is 25, n minus 1 into d is minus 5. So 25 take that side, minus 5n plus 5 is equal to minus 5 minus 25. So minus 5n is equal to minus 30 plus 5. So minus 5n is equal to minus 25 and n is equal to 5. So the fifth term is 10, 5. So this is the answer. Minus 5n plus 5. If it goes to other side, this is minus 5. So minus 35 and n is equal to 7. Seventh term is the first negative term. First negative term. Okay. Let us go to another question. If in AP a is equal to 2, S10 is equal to 335, then 10th term is equal to question mark. Okay. So now in this a is given, from this d you will be getting, and using a and d, 10th term you will be getting. That means in AP, if you know first term and the common difference, you can do everything. So now we have only a, and we should find out d from this. Okay, and then automatically you will be getting. So then this is 10 by 2, 2a, that means 4, 10 minus 1, 9 into d, okay, is equal to 335. So 5 goes that side, 4 plus 9d is equal to 5 goes that side, 335 by 5. Okay, so 4 plus 9d is equal to 67. 9d is equal to 67 minus 4, 63. So d is equal to 7. So now once d is equal to 7, 10th term is a plus 9d. So a is a 2, 9 into 7. So 2 plus 63, 65 is the answer. Okay. So this is how the questions will go. I hope this is okay. Almost all the questions will be like this. So because it is 6:35, I'll stop, and finally I request you to share my videos and like my videos and subscribe my channel. So still, if you are having any questions, I'll be sitting here for some time. You can ask me. So because almost all the questions will be like this only, you need a practice to do the problems fast, because fastness is needed, accuracy is also needed. As long as you are not having the fastness, like practice, if there is no practice, what happened? You will go slowly. The slowness will think you are thinking. So that is why you have to do the questions very fast. For that you need practice. So He, good morning, somebody, a new name, Lokin, a new name, good morning. Where are you from? Ritiksha also new to my channel. I didn't see this name before. Sadhana also first time. I didn't see before. So if you are having any doubts, you can always ask me. So see you, bye bye, have a nice day.